Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Luluna Tarot and this is your intuitive reader, Maria. So, kamusta kayo? Napanood nyo ba yung ating recent upload na ating pick a card reading? Lahat ba kayo naka-resonate? So, kung hindi pa, pwede nyo siyang i-check sa channel natin. Okay? Okay, so for today, we are going to do another pick a card reading. Okay. So again, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. Pero ang topic muna natin is, paano ka ba nakikita itong person na to? How this person view you, okay, or see you. Can be feminine or masculine. And ano ba yung true feelings niya para sa'yo? Okay, so titingnan natin kung sino ba tong person on your mind. Ano ba yung, paano ka ba nito nakikita nitong person na to? Ano ba yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo? Okay, so isa-isahin natin yon later on. So first, you need to meditate bago ka pumili ng pile para sure na mag-resonate sa'yo yung pile na mapipili mo. Okay, so for pile number 1, itong ating violet stone. Okay. And for pile number 2, itong ating mushroom. Mushroom stone. So, today gumamit tayo ng 4 kind of cards para sa reading natin. Okay. So again, this is pile number 1 on my left side and on my right side is the pile number 2. So meditate, close your eyes, and then piliin mo yung pile na tinatawag, yung pansin mo para accurate yung reading na makuha mo. Again, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so pile number 1 and pile number 2, pili ka na and then mag-start na tayo. Okay, so kung nakapili ka na, let's start na. So itatabi lang muna natin si pile number 2. Okay. So again, pile number 1, tingnan natin. How this person see or view you. Okay, and ano ba yung nararamdaman nitong person na to para sa'yo. Okay. So, tatabi lang muna natin tong card mo. And then, we have Island Time Wellness, yung Love Oracle card, Yin Yang Oracle, and then yung Gilded natin na Tarot card. Okay, so let's start with your Gilded pile number 1. So, tingnan natin, yung person na nasa mind mo. Ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Paano ka ito nakikita? Ano ba yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo? Okay? So, ilalatag mo muna yung card and then saka natin babasahin per deck. Wow. 5 of Wands, fire sign. 5 of Swords, pero in reverse siya. Air sign. King of Wands, fire sign again. 3 of Swords, air sign. So, lamang yung mga signs na lumabas ngayon sa ating tarot card. And for the last one is Knight of Cups, which is water sign. Okay. So, water sign, air sign, fire sign. Wow. If you are feminine or you are masculine, and the energy na nakukuha natin is a feminine or your person on your mind. So this feminine ay nakikita ka bilang very attractive person with the King of Wands here. Very attractive, sitting on your throne, okay? very fiery. And lamang dito na pwedeng you are very good looking person. Pile number one. Very good looking person actually. Kasi with the Three of Swords here, this person is nakikita niya na po pwedeng um, mabroke mo yung heart niya. Okay. Kasi maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay. Maraming nag-aagawan sa attention, na mapansin mo. Okay. Maraming gustong kumuha ng attention mo. Yeah. And also, this person, looks at you, it can be, nakikita ka niya as very ideal husband or ideal wife. Why? Kasi ano eh, um, for some of you, ano eh, siguro nakikita ka niya as good person. Yeah, yung parang, ibabroke mo yung heart niya kasi maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. And pa pwedeng kapag nireject mo tong person na to, this person will get hurt, okay? Or it can be, um, you have a history na parang nasaktan ka before sa relationship mo, and that's why siguro, parang siguro you are single right now, okay, you're just busy working, you're focused on your career, and then this person, eh siguro ayaw mo na makipagrelasyon. Yes, nakikita nito person na parang ano, parang out ano, parang na ano ko, parang narinig ko lang yung song na Out of My League ba yun? Yung parang ano, kanta ng ano, ng Passenger, kung di ako nagkakamali. Kasi you're very good looking. Okay, whether you're a feminine or a masculine, or female or male, this person sees you as a king of wands, or this person is a king of wands, a fire sign. Itong person na to, it can be vice versa guys yung energy. That's why, iniisa-isa ko. It can be this person is a very good looking also. And you're a very good looking person also. And siguro iniisip nito na, yun nga, maraming guy or maraming kalalakihan ang umaagaw ng attention mo o kumukuha ng attention mo, nag-aaway-away kasi para siguro kung sino yung pipiliin mo, parang ganon. Pero meron din ako nakikita dito na it can be you or an honest person also, or this person is an honest person. With the Knight of Cups here, yun nga lang, siguro for some of you, this person sees you as very emotional person. Sweet, very romantic, okay. Parang hindi, ano, parang hindi siya maniwala na you're a very good looking person, tapos you're very romantic, parang gano'n. Natatakot siguro 'tong person na 'to na masaktan siya, parang ganyan. Siguro siya yung ano, eh, siya yung natatakot na kung ikaw man yung nanliligaw sa kanya, ha, or this person, again, take what's resonate, meron isa sa inyo yung natatakot na parang magtapat ng nararamdaman niya kasi pupuwede sigurong this person na 'to or ikaw ay galing sa failed relationship before or nasaktan dati kaya parang you're very, careful when it comes sa magiging karelasyon, okay. Pero this person wants to offer you his or her cup, or you also like this person. Kasi Knight of Cups kasi 'to, eh, pero kasi hindi kasi sila same, okay, with the King of Wands. So, yung isa, Knight of Cups, siguro mas younger, while the other person is parang mas matured. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. So, Let's see the other cards. Wow, decision, crossroad. Wow. Siguro, for some of you, this is one of your suitors or isa to sa person na kumukuha ng attention mo or kumukuha ng puso mo and there is a decision here na kailangan na gawin. Whether accept the offer or not. Parang ganon. Family, home, commitment. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, decision if you want to commit to this person or this person wants to commit sa'yo. So, vice versa energy again. So, it's either both of you or isa sa inyo is afraid to have a commitment or accept the cup of the other person kasi po pwedeng meron ako nakikita dito ha ngayon lang nag-download lang sa akin. It can be there is a third party involved here. Merong third party involved here with the Three of Swords. So, we will see. Twin flames. So, it can be a twin flame connection. Okay? Or this person looks at you na ikaw yung twin flame niya. Siguro nararamdaman niya na ikaw yung twin flame niya. Or there is a connection between the both of you. Okay? Self-care energy. So, sabi ko nga, isa sa inyo can be single, takot na um, magkaroon ng commitment. Kasi pwede sigurong naloko before or na-involve sa third party. Okay. Two of Swords kasi to yung decisions. Nakikita ko um, has a Two of Swords. So, we will see. Limitation or fears. Diba sabi ko na nga, there is someone is takot dito na mag-commit. Kasi po pwedeng nasaktan before. Okay. Nasaktan before, naloko, na-cheat, napasok sa third party, ipinasok sa third party. Okay. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na meron isa sa inyo na kung sino man tong person na to, this person with the um, five of swords here is in reverse is ano naman, is mapagkakatiwalaan naman. This is not, this person is not sneaky, okay, or walang itinatago, kung sino man tong person na to. Pero meron kasi ako nakikita dito na there is someone here na parang hurt broken hearted So, let's see. Di ba, hurting. Ano sabi ko sa inyo? Agonizing pain. There is someone here na nanggaling sa broken heart. Kaya fearful na siguro to commit, to accept an offer. Okay? Kasi siguro iniisip niya baka lokohin ulit siya or baka maloko ulit siya. Actually, there is maraming nagkakagusto. Po pwedeng ikaw to or po pwedeng dito sa person na to. Karmic relationship toxicity. Wow. Ano to? Single parent responsibilities pero in reverse. Okay. Okay. Guys, file number one, this person is nakikita kanya siguro na, sabi ko nga di ba kanina, po pwedeng single ka or single itong person na to. Pero kasi dahil ang topic natin is ano ba yung paano ka nakikita nitong person na 'to and ano ba yung tunay na nararamdaman niya. Um, Nakikita ka 'tong person na 'to na you're single and siguro ina-assume niya na ayaw mong pumasok sa commitment. Siguro indecisive ka pa, nakita niyang indecisive ka, ayaw mong pumasok sa commitment kasi siguro ayaw mo pa ng responsibility. Yes, siguro you are enjoying yourself and po pwedeng um, nasaktan ka before. So, siguro aware tong person na to, maybe sinabi mo sa kanya, or aware tong person na nararamdaman niya na you are fearful kasi naloko ka before. Okay? And siguro, honest ka sa kanya, sinabi mo sa kanya whether kwento mo sa kanya. Oo. Na siguro you are on your self-care journey, you are focused on yourself, and siguro ayaw mo sa toxic na person, gusto mo sa may honest na person, siguro yun yung sinasabi mo sa kanya. Sinabi mo siguro sa kanya na gusto mo yung mapagkakatiwalaan, ayaw mo ng sinungaling, ayaw mo ng sneaky. Okay? And siguro alam nitong person na 'to maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo and maraming naliligaw sa'yo, aware siya kaya nakikita ka niyang parang you are in a crossroad. Yeah. Kisses, unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Anong sabi ko, 'di ba? Pupuwede sigurong talagang honest naman 'tong person sa'yo. And siguro nararamdaman nitong person na 'to na takot ka lang siguro na i-accept yung offer niya. Pero alam niya na there is a connection between the both of you. Sabi ko nga kanina, guys, paulit-ulit tayo, Kasi siguro it can be siguro ina-assume mo na nararamdaman 'tong person, siguro twin flame ko 'to, parang gano'n. Abundance, keep and positive mindset, guys, tingnan mo, fears, limitation, 'di ba? Toxicity. Siguro yung pagiging negative thinker mo or itong person na 'to, pupuwede kasing pupuwedeng ikaw yun, overthinker ka, negative thinker ka, kasi nga, naloko ka before, siguro may trust issues ka. Yeah, may trust issue ka, Um, Keep a positive mindset daw. Manifest exactly what you want, gratitude and bliss. Okay, so advice ng card is be positive, okay? Kung ano yung gusto mo, yun ang i-manifest mo. Kasi, pwede siguro kakaisip mo dahil nasaktan ka before, kakaisip mo ng negative, yun yung na-manifest mo na hindi mo nalalaman. Not today, not dealing, hurt. Diba? Not dealing, hurt, avoiding a conversation, avoiding a call, avoiding a person, boundaries, still mad or still angry. O, 'di ba? For some of you siguro, um, ma ano dito, matimbang dito yung yung parang ka pa, siguro nakikita niya na parang takot ka magtiwala. Oo, kumbaga nagpu ka ng boundaries agad, parang gano'n. Though honest ka, pero may boundary. So parang hanggang dito ka lang, parang gano'n. Hindi siya puwedeng mag-cross ng line, parang gano'n. Wedding rings, union, wedding, married, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. Guys ha, meron ako nakikita dito for some of you. Okay, take what's resonate. It can be this is a twin flame of yours, okay? Kung sino man tong person na to, it can be, this is a soul connection. Meron ako nakikita dito, two-person also ha. It can be a Knight of Cups and then itong King of Wands. Kasi nga maraming naniligaw eh. Maraming naniligaw sa'yo. One of this person is trusted, trusted, pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. One of them is your twin flame and the other person is a karmic. Okay, meron ako nakikitang ganun. So, maybe that's why you are in a decision or you're in a crossroad kasi may pinagpipilian ka na persons. Okay? So, kinlarify na dito and then kinonfirm na dito na um, yung isa sa connection dito or sa isang person dito na eyeing on you or may feeling sa'yo is a soul connection. Okay? And or eternal love while the others are a karmic. Okay, kaya be cautious, okay? When it comes to, alam mo yun, to give your trust, kung kanino mo ibibigay yung tiwala mo, kung sino yung iaalaw mo na lumapit sa'yo, okay? Kasi, um, o pwede kasing ano eh, siguro this person looks at you as nililimitahan mo nga yung sarili mo eh. Pero kung ako sa inyo guys, pray, manifest kung sino ba talaga yung gusto mong makasama, gusto mong makakonekta kasi para hindi mo manifest yung mga karmic. Okay. Kasi marami ako nakikita dito eh, na eyeing on you, may feelings sa'yo, okay. And these persons, they know na na you are a husband or wife material with the wedding rings here. Oo. And they see you as abundant also. So, po pwedeng you are good sa money, okay. Siguro hayaan mo lang sila, receive the affections, okay. Let yourself to fall in love again even though siguro you are hurt before. Mm. It can be focus ka din siguro gusto mo na siguro mag-focus sa family mo, your parents siguro, parents mo, mga kapatid mo siguro for some of you, meron din ako nakita dito na for some of you, doon sa mga options, okay, na lumalapit sa'yo and want to offer you a connection or a commitment, some of them has a family. Okay? So take what's resonate, guys. Meron ako talaga nakikita dito na you are hurt. Someone is in deep hurt or in deep pain because of the third party. And siguro, ano eh, pero sure ako na ikaw yung nasa ano, nasa decision or nasa crossroad or two of swords. Kasi ano eh, siguro aware tong person na to eh, na there is persons pa eh, bukod sa kanya. Aware siya. Kasi you're very good looking. This person see you or view you as a very good looking person. Very guwapo, very maganda. Yeah, kasi you are taking care of yourself. Ang problema lang, uh, it can be you are not dealing with this person, ha? Parang sinaset aside mo pa kasi parang ayaw mong seryosohin kasi po pwede ikaw yung hurt dito eh. And this person is alam niya eh. You are, parang siguro iniiwasan mong makipag-communicate, ayaw mong kausapin. Meron ako dito nakikitang ayaw kausapin yung other person or basta na may boundaries dito. Let's see, meron kasi akong gustong i-clarify, guys. Meron akong gustong i-clarify, wait lang. Clarify, who is this person? Kasi may ano eh, wala ditong six of cups. Pero meron ako nakikita ditong ano eh, parang may nakamix eh. Wait lang guys ha. Give me three cards. Clarify. Is there again, Page of Cups. Oops. Wow. The Moon. Uy, okay, 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 okay. For some of you, hindi mo yung admirer mo na to, or ano, wow, Hero Pan. Ay, Justice card, sorry. Justice. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, for some of you, if you are hurt before, okay, kung nasaktan ka dati, wow, travel news. Oh, soon na soon. Okay, soon. The one that coming towards you or this person looks at you, there is someone here. Um, it's either the one with the wedding rings here and um, can be trusted, okay, na person is rushing towards you. Meron ako nakikita dito, there is someone here rushing towards you. This person wants to offer his or her cup with the Knight of Cups and Page of Cups here. Kung pwedeng, it can be, kilala mo to or alam mo to, it can be this is a hidden pa sa'yo with the moon here. Okay, you're very intuitive also. Isa sa inyo is very intuitive. Okay. It can be this person is an admirer, okay? It is a crush, okay? Meron ako dito nakikita na this is a new person, Okay, a new person, pero kasi before, meron ako nakikita na meron nasaktan sa inyo, may na-hurt sa inyo before. Okay? Siguro inilagay sa third party, okay? Which is po pwedeng i-karmic. Okay? A karmic person put you in a third party. That's why nasaktan ka before, na-hurt ka. Po pwedeng you are limiting yourself. Meron kang fear, okay? Nakafocus ka sa sarili mo. Okay? And you are siguro indecisive. Okay? If gusto mo magmahal ulit. Okay? Yeah. Soon, there is a reunion. Meron ako nakita dito, there is a reunion. Okay? And may wedding setting nyo with the Four of Wands, okay, weddings you will receive a message, okay? Sa ayaw mo at sa gusto, you will receive a message from this person. There is a wedding ring here. It can be na for some of you, pwede sigurong fiancé mo yung nanakit sa'yo before, okay? Kaya natakot ka na. Kasi with the family here, meron ako nakikita, siguro, yung iba sa inyo take what's resonate again guys, is galing sa long-term relationship. Okay? It can be, some of you is galing sa long-term relationship na which is nag-failed. Okay? Nag-fail siguro with the family, with the wedding rings, also, okay? Um, this is a very bad pain yung kinos sa'yo nung relationship mo from the past, okay? That's why may takot ka na pumasok sa commitment. Yes. Pero ang sabi kasi dito sa card is, um, this person wants to shower you with love. Okay? This person wants to give you unconditional love, affection. Okay? So, siguro sinasabi dito, ano nga keep a positive mindset. Medyo madami kasing download sa akin guys. Kaya, ano I'm very careful ng pagsasabi sa inyo ng reading. Okay? There is someone na gustong mag-offer sa'yo ng cup. Kung pwedeng hidden sa'yo Kasi this person only see, tinitingnan ka lang nito from afar or from far. Okay, sa malayo This person also siguro nagkaka-anxiety siya kasi siguro alam niya yung pinagdaanan mo. For some of you, with the justice card, it can be this is an older person, a wise person, it can be a Libra. Okay, so this is a karmic justice siguro or justice na bibigay sa'yo dahil dun sa naranasan mo before. Kaya siguro magpapadala ng person na which is, isa-shower ka ng love. Okay? This person is honest also. Siguro don't be fearful don't be fearful kasi siguro this person alam niya na takot ka. Takot ka na sumugal, takot ka na pumasok sa commitment, okay, with the decisions here. And it can be siguro maraming gusto mag-offer sa'yo and siguro you're very indecisive siguro talaga. Kasi maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo And alam nitong person kasi you're a very good looking person. Kaso, nakikita itong person na to siguro umiiwas ka, you're not dealing um, with your suitors or dito sa person na to. iniiba mo yung usapan kapag ina-approach ka nito. Some of you is in-approach na itong person na to, and some of you is hindi pa. Last card, please. Last card. Give me one card. Kasi gusto ko pang tingnan. Uy! Tumalon. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. For some of you siguro, kilala ka tong person na to na na I don't know ha. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na po pwede siguro na it's either iniisip mo lang to eh. Or it can be this person is an older person and you are the young person here. And siguro, kaya nakikita ka niya na kaya ayaw mo pang mag-commit kasi nga, yun nga, ayaw mo pa, yung for some of you this is an additional information, ayaw mo pang magkaroon ng responsibility. Kasi if you're the young here, or mas bata, um, siguro nakikita niya na na parang unstable ka pa when it comes sa finances. Yung iba sa inyo iba sa inyo. Or parang feeling mo you are not secured pa compared dito sa person na to. You're not secured pa. This person is nakabantay lang sa'yo. Nakamasid lang siya. Pero pero if this is older than you at ikaw yung young para sa mga pumili ng file number 1 seryoso tong person na to. Kasi marami akong nakikita dito eh. This is more than one person eh. Okay. So, paano ko ba nakikita itong person na to? Yung iba sa inyo, this person views you na parang parang you're not ready pa. You are in a crossroad pa. Yeah, you are just, parang inuuna mo yung self-care mo. Ayaw mo pang sumugal. Okay, so yun yung nakikita ng person. Nakikita na very attractive ka. Okay, marami kang sutor. Yeah. Um, for some of you kung mas bata ka kasi dito sa person na to, this person, si you has parang just go with the flow pa. Kasi you are young, parang ganon. Ni-enjoy mo pa yung time mo. Oo. Ini-enjoy mo pa yung parang um, money mo, yung parang fruit of labor mo, parang nag enjoy ka pa sa life. And siguro, nakikita niya na parang ayaw mo pa ng responsibility, parang ganun. And siguro somehow, this person feels hurt. Oo, kasi nga this person is serious about you. Water sign, air sign, integrity. Pero nakikita ka nitong person na to na na honest ka din and then parang may integrity, integridad. Gusto ka nitong person na 'to talaga. Kasi if you will allow it, sure ako na mag-o-offer ng cup 'to sa'yo, eh, ng commitment. Pero ayaw mo pa, eh. Parang ano, eh, parang nakikita niya na parang gusto mo pang i-enjoy yung life mo, parang gano'n. Kasi it can be you are young, okay? So, pile number two, ay pile number, sorry. Anyway, baka meron sa inyong message sa pile number two, so pwede ka ring manood, pile number one. Okay, so kung resonated sa'yo to, pile number one, leave a comment, okay, sa video natin. Para malaman ko kung um, nakarelate ka sa reading natin. Okay, pile number one. So, hindi ko napapatagalin. I will go to pile number two na. Thank you, pile number one. Okay, so para sa mga pumili ng pile number two, here is your reading. So, tingnan natin. Paano ka ba nakikita itong person na 'to? Ano ba yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo? Pile number two. Ito yung reading mo. So, let's start. So, again, 4 cards ang ginamit natin dito. Ilalagay ko muna yung card here bago natin babasahin, okay? Let's start with the Gilded Tarot. 10 of Swords. 10 of Cups. Wow, 10, 10 ha. 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. It can be a partner, a husband. Okay. 3 of Pentacles. Wow. It can be a boyfriend of yours. King and Queen of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, partner. So, boyfriend. It can be boyfriend mo yung iniisip mo, ha? Pile number two. Um, a domestic partner, which is a live-in partner. It can be. Pero nandito si Ten of Swords. Parang Ten of Swords is worrying, overthinking, yeah. Parang burden, parang ang daming daming iniisip. Alam mo 'yun? Why? If this is your person, pile number two, or this you are already have a relationship with this person is serious about you. Ang tingin niya sa'yo, ano, parang power couple kayo. Yeah. And pa pwede sigurong ito yung person na nag-o-overthink. Gusto ka nitong mapangasawa. Gusto niya magkatuluyan kayo with the Ten of Cups. And siguro tong swords na to is responsibility, ha. Yun ang nakikita ko. Siguro responsibilidad. This person sees you as a very um, mature also. Magaling sa pera. Magaling sa buhay. Kaya gusto niya ikaw yung makatuluyan niya. Gusto niyang ikaw na yung person na mapangasawa niya. Parang gano'n. Parang kayo yung ikasal, kayo. Kaso, nag-worry. There is worry here. Let's see. Toxicity bound patterns. Shadow side, moon, the dark night. Okay. Receive, open, renewal, spark. Uy, wow. For some of you, this is a long time partner niya eh. Pero with the renewal here, siguro, yung Ten of Swords dito, siguro ano eh, parang sa sobrang dami ng responsibility. Parang gano'n. May nakikita ko gano'n. Sa sobrang dami ng responsibility, this person, ano eh, parang nagwo-worry siya kasi ano, parang it's either yung babae siguro dito yung parang ano, parang nag-iisip yung guy siguro na baka pwedeng ayaw mo na parang ano, parang ayaw mong siya yung mapangasawa, parang gano'n. Whether yung feminine yung nag-iisip nun or yung masculine. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na ano eh, parang there is a pattern here eh. Or someone here is parang gusto nang kumawala o gusto na makipaghiwalay. Uy, meron ako nakikitang ganun. Wait lang guys ah, natitinan lang ako. May gusto kumawala dito. Kasi parang feeling nung other person is parang bound siya. Bound na siya sa responsibility, sa burden, parang ganon, with the toxicity, bound and patterns. Parang ano eh, yung other person gusto ng renewal or parang mabalik yung spark. Kaso the other person is parang hesitant na, dadalawang isip, parang ganon. Eh, may isang, di ba, guilt and sabotage. O, di ba? I told you, sorry, ano, na iwan pala yan. Sabotage. Sinasadya. Parang, may separation ba dito? May kaklarify natin yan, guys. If there is a separation here, oh my God, I told you, third party interference. Signs, love, meaning. Pero in reverse siya, guys. Freedom. Surrender. Oh, there is para meron ako nakikita there is a separation here. And the person, ano yung tingin sa'yo nitong person na to? Ano yung view? Parang ayaw mo na sa kanya. Meron dito na parang gusto ng freedom na, gusto ng sumurrender. Dahil siguro sa sobrang dami ng burden, sobrang daming. Pero kasi meron akong nakita dito, parang there is someone here is, ang kalaban niya, yung sarili niya. Someone here is overthinking. Parang naka-cage sa mind niya. Parang, kasi, alam niyo guys, kasi, sabi ko sa inyo, kapag negative yung iniisip mo, yun ang namamanifest mo. So, meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you, this person is parang, kasi Three of Pentacles, collaboration eh. Parang alam mo yun, gusto niyang makipag-collaborate again. Gusto niya makipag-collaborate again. Gusto niya it can be gusto niya makipagkasundo. With the collaboration kasi ang Three of Pentacles eh. Parang gusto niya makipag-partnership again. Gusto niya makipagkasundo again. Gusto niyang buhayin, i-renew yung partnership, yung collaboration, yung relationship also. Pero meron ako nakikita dito kasi na there is a third party interference here. Let's see. Camera, reminiscing. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, it can be there is a separation here. With the camera, reminiscing. Di ba? Learn from the past. So it can be there is a separation nga dito. And siguro, someone here wants to make memories again. Renew the spark, renew the love, okay? Pero the other person po pwede sigurong wala ng love. Yeah. And meron ditong nagsasabotage ng connection. And po pwede sigurong meron ditong hindi open to receive. Okay? Palm tree, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom, again freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. Alam ko na. Kasi someone here is toxic. Kaya ayaw na siguro nung other person. Take what's resonate guys tinitingnan ko, inaano ko lang kasi carefully yung read or yung cards para mas maintindihan ninyo. Someone here is reminiscing, wants to renew the spark, okay? Gusto makipag-collaborate, gusto uling buhayin kung ano man yung connection ninyo. It can be this is a long-term relationship with the Ten of Cups here. The person sees you as a wife, okay, or a husband material kasi long time partner to, and a couple kasi to eh, Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles, so mag-partner, okay, pero someone here is toxic. There is a pattern here, okay, a toxicity. Okay, siguro yung isa is parang nagloko siya, parang gano'n, someone here is overthinking eh. Nagloko siguro yung isa with the shadow side here, okay? With the third party interference, nagloko siya, okay? Humanap ng iba, it can be. Kasi siguro akala niya wala ng love, wala ng spark. Okay? And siguro may separation na nga dito. With the mirror here, mirroring each other, self-image, relationships reflect our wounds, introspection. So it can be, meron akong nakikita dito na ano eh, na someone here is healing from a um, toxic relationship. Yeah. We will clarify. Okay. So, titingnan natin. Pero this person is nakikita kanya na you are very stable, okay, very strong, very secured. Kaya nga, gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo eh. Yeah, kaya gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo eh. Kasi nakikita niya na ano eh, ikaw yung perfect match niya. Siguro before, hindi niya nakikita, hindi niya nare-realize yun. Kasi nga, dahil sa shadow side niya, okay? And then siguro this person is nagigilty with the guilt. Here, sabotage, and Ten of Swords. Narealize itong person na to siguro kung siya man yung gumawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Na-realize niya na ikaw yung partner, ikaw yung right partner para sa kanya. Same kayo na, kumbaga, power couple kayo, parang ganun eh. And this person is reminiscing all your memories. Okay, siguro, meron ako nakikita dito na ano eh, siguro you want to free yourself na eh, to this person. And siguro yun yung nakikita niya. Siguro nakikita niya na parang you want to free yourself na sa kanya. And then siguro, iniisip niya siguro na ano, na parang ayaw mo na. Kasi may free dito eh. Teka, ika-clarify natin yan guys. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Wow. Seven of Cups in reverse. 'Di ba? Someone here is have a clarity kung ano ba talaga yung gusto niya. Yeah. And siguro this person realizes that before, meron siyang mga poor choices na ginawa with the third party, and this person learns the hardest way kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo from the past. And siguro this person is na-realize niya na ikaw yung parang biggest opportunity na dumating sa kanya. Kasi, King and Queen of Pentacles to eh. Same kayo na, ano, siguro, na-realize niya na ikaw yung parang perfect match niya. Sorry. Wow, the Emperor. 'Di ba? This person, nakikita kanyang stable. This person, nakita niya stable ka eh. You are wife material, eh. You're a family woman or family man. Yeah. You heal yourself. Oo. From the heartbreak. O pwede sigurong nag-focus ka sa finances mo. Pero meron din ako nakikita dito na this person is controlling. Wants to control you. This person looks at you as practical. Uy, I told you guys. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles again. Emperor and Queen of Pentacles to again. Nakikita nyo ba? This person sees you as a matured person. And it can be five of wands o conflict. Meron kayo hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to. And this person wants to renew. Renew the vows, renew the partnership, renew the connection, renew the relationship. Oo. It can be you are nagka-crush din kayo, crush personalities or parang ano, parang parehas kayong alpha, parang ganon. Choice. There is a choice here. So, someone here is po pwede siguro want itong person to na i-open mo yung self mo ulit sa kanya. Oo. Wala akong nakikita dito guys, kundi freedom eh. Kasi alam mo, um, isa sa inyo yung gustong kumawala na kasi nga siguro na-realize mo na toxic yung other person. Po pwedeng ikaw to, po pwedeng yung person na to, yung tinutukoy. Again, energy is vice versa. Pero someone here is very abundant whether in a partnership or in a single. Okay, single life. You're a businessman also, businesswoman. This person knows na businesswoman ka. And sabi ko nga, gusto niya makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Kasi you are strong eh. You are stable. With the Ten of Cups again, you are stable, guys. You can bear earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You are generous and loyal also. Okay. For some of you, for some of you, po pwedeng you are in a relationship na ngayon. You are in a partnership na ngayon. And this person, okay, na sinasabi ko ngang see you ha, or yung parang um, tumatangi sa'yo, or gusto magkaroon ng connection sa'yo, is a very, an old person also, or very, can be a Capricorn and Aries, meron ako nakikita dito, siguro kung nagkakagusto sa'yo is ano eh, a single father, or parang ganon, or siguro an older person na lang. Let's see, tingnan pa natin. Clarify the emperor. Tingnan nga natin. Pero meron ako nakikita talaga dito na po pwedeng nasa partnership ka na eh. Pero there is someone here na gustong mag-renew pa eh, mag-renew ng connection eh. May nagigilty dito eh. Let's see. Hmm. King of Cups in reverse. Someone here is emotionally immature, manipulator, sabi mo controlling, toxic eh. King of Cups in reverse is not a good energy, guys. Kasi, uh, po pwedeng ano to eh, manipulator when it comes to emotion. Toxic nga eh, toxic. And it can be this person is toxic. Okay? Po pwedeng nasa partnership ka na ngayon, guys. Nasa partnership ka na ngayon. You heal yourself. Po pwedeng, po pwedeng siguro ano eh, you are in a relationship na ha. Hindi ko nilalahat ha, yung iba sa inyo. So, take what's resonate. Kung sino man yung toxic dito na person, this is immature pa. Yes. And this person is very, alam mo, mataas yung tingin sa sarili. Siguro gusto niya siya palagi nasusunod, parang ganyan. Toxic, toxic yun eh, di ba? Yung ganun eh. Siguro, ano, kung mawala ka dito kasi ano eh, controlling nga tong person na to eh. Parang ano siya eh, yung authority, yung parang, alam mo yun. Pero you found your match na eh, with the Queen and King of Pentacles here. O, di ba? There is a ending na here. And this person is gusto sigurong magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo. Yeah. You're in a new relationship na. You are happy. You're contented. Okay. O pwedeng both of you, kung nasa partnership ka na ngayon, both of you are businessman and businesswoman. Yes. Meron akong nakita dito na ano ha, this person is siguro ano, an if this person is old, okay, older than you, yes, this person is, parang alam mo yun, parang wala na siyang choice. Kasi nga, old person na siya. Parang siguro old, um, in age na siya, parang ganon. Someone here is burdened, nagigilty siya kasi um, yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo. Kaso, siguro kaya gusto ka nito i-win back or gusto niyang parang magkaroon kayo ulit ng connection kasi to control you. Paano ka nakikita nitong person na to? This person views you as a wife material. Yeah. And pa pwedeng this person is jealous on your partner ngayon if you have in a new relationship. Kasi Three of Pentacles, King and Queen of Pentacles is ano um, maayos yung relationship mo dito sa person na to. Kung sino man yung bago ngayon. Hindi toxic. Kumbaga, may collaborated kayo Parang maganda yung flow ng relationship ninyo. Yeah. You free yourself dito sa person na to. You heal yourself kasi this person is toxic. Sinabotage niya yung connection ninyong dalawa. O pwedeng nag-grow ka rin. Nag-grow ka. This person is reminiscing. Reminiscing yung connection ninyo. O pwedeng this person is, sabi ko na, di ba? Tingnan nyo guys, yung some of you, this is an ex or some of you Six of Cups, uh, Eight of Swords. This person is feeling trapped, restricted, okay. Three of Swords, heartbreak or pain. This person feels betrayed by you kahit na hindi naman ikaw may kasalanan, kahit siya naman talaga. Oo. Ten of Pentacles again with the Ten of Cups here. Pwedeng in a long-term relationship ka din dito sa person na to. Okay. And pwedeng kasal ka na siguro sa bago ngayon or ikakasal ka na. Okay. The Magician, someone here is manifesting you. And it can be you're in a happy relationship now and this person is interfering on your present relationship ngayon. Meron ako nakikita na it can be this is an ex, a past person, nakikisawsaw ngayon sa present mo. Kasi there is renewal hero, renewal spark, di ba? Kaso, ma-realize mo niya yun, wala na, nasa new relationship. Kasi na, you free yourself You already free yourself here. Moon, moon card, meron ako nakikitang moon card dito. So, it can be, this is hidden, or this person is parang nagtatago. It can be hindi mo alam to. It can be this person is spying on you. Still spying on you. And this person is overthinking. Kasi kung makikita ninyo, tingnan nyo. This is email. Overthinking, worrying. Oo. Reminiscing. It can be looking at your photo. Kung may picture ka sa kanya. Ten of Cups, you are content, happy. Okay. And this person is tinitingnan niya kung mahal mo pa siya. If there is a sign of love pa here. Titingnan niya, pinag-aaralan ka niya, titingnan niya kung mahal mo pa siya. Pero I don't think na you will talk to this person kasi you are happy right now. You found your match. Meron ako nakikita dito. This person is sobrang nagigilty, sobrang nagsisisi kasi nga parang dahil nawala ka, parang gano'n. Pero kasi this person is bound to his pattern eh. Ano siya eh, parang siya eh, bound siya sa pattern niya eh. Nag-reality check tong person na to. This person is reminiscing. Um, Alam mo, nakikita ka nitong person na to na na matatag. Talagang wala siyang ibang makita kundi matatag. And this person is parang looking for signs if you still love him or her. You are very, you are very maalaga din. Nakikita ka niya as maalaga na person. You are very nurturing. Oo. You're very nurturing. You are very a mother-like kind of a person if you are a feminine or a woman here. So, nakikita ka niya na na successful ka when it comes to finances, you are wealthy, you are independent. You don't need him or you don't need her. Parang gano'n. Nakikita ka niya eh. And siguro, your partner right now, if you are in a relationship, is spoiling you. Kasi, this person also is very good at money din. Like you. Nakikita niya siguro yung mga flaw or yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo before. If meron man siyang ginawang hindi maganda sa'yo. So, anong nararamdaman sa'yo itong person na to? Gusto niyang i-renew yung spark between the two of you. Kaso nga lang, you are in a partnership na ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, you found your match. And siguro, this person is, nakikita niya na very independent. Kaya parang ka eh. Yung parang gusto mo na kumawala sa kanya, parang gano'n. So, nagre-reminisce na lang tong person na 'to. Ano yung nararamdaman niya? Ten of Swords. Worrying siya. Burden. Stress. May anxiety. May depression. Parang gano'n. Kasi nga nagi-guilty siya eh. Kasi nga sinabotage niya yung connection niyo eh. Kung ano man yung ginawa niya dito with the third party interference. Siguro nagpatukso siya. Siguro, natukso siya, humanap ng iba, kasi iniisip niya siguro, the grass is greener, parang ganyan. Okay, so, pile number two, ganun ka tinitingnan ng person na to and yun yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, kung sino man tong person na to na nasa mind mo. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading na to and kung nag-resonate, leave a comment and masaya ako pa nabasahin yung comment mo. And if kung hindi man nag-resonate sa'yo, ayos lang din. You are free to watch file number one. So, file number two, hindi ko napapatagalin. Maraming salamat. Okay? So, sa patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin, maraming maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kasi nababasa ko po yung nagko-comment, okay, kahit iilan po, nababasa ko po yun and maraming maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate ko po yung ano, yung comment po ninyo. Nababasa ko po yun. Abangan nyo pa po yung mga susunod nating upload sa channel. Kasi mag-upload na po tayo palagi dito sa channel para marami kayong mapapanood at aabangan. Okay? So, hindi ko na papatagalin to guys ha, kasi what time na rin kasi. So maraming maraming salamat again and abangan nyo yung ating susunod na upload. Again, this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader and this is La Luna Tarot. Bye!